good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10. I am on my way, not on my way to work yet, but I'm about to leave. It's 7:30, so I gotta get going. I'm really tired. I have a case of the Mondays, so I will just get through the day. I'm not gonna bring my camera obviously to work, but I will check in with you guys when I get home. Hey guys, it is so many hours later. I have like mascara under my eyes. I can't believe I just went to Publix like that. I have a pimple. Remember the other day when I knocked on wood and said my skin's been doing really good? Well, that's great. So I just went to Publix to grab a couple of things. It's 9 o'clock right now. I'll give you a little grocery haul. It's not super interesting. I only got a couple of things. So yeah, here's what I got. First thing I got, my mom told me about these. I love the, you know those Hawaiian rolls that come in the pack? I love those, and she said that these taste really similar, and I love biscuits, so I got a can of these to try out one night this week. I got some carrots that I'm gonna roast with some olive oil, salt and pepper. I got 2 cucumbers to cut up and bring to work as a little snack. And then I was gonna make some of this dip. I just got some light sour cream and this onion soup mix, mix it together, and then I'll just pour a little bit in little like Tupperware containers and then bring a little of that to dip with the cucumbers. And then I just got 2 English muffins. These were buy one, get one. I love bringing these to work because it's easy, and then I usually either put butter, like margarine on them, or I bring an avocado to work and then do like an avocado toast kind of thing, and that keeps me really full for the rest of the day. I also got, super random, a toilet bowl cleaner because, or a toilet bowl, whatever, brush, because I had the metal ones and they were just kind of getting gross, so I threw them out, but I threw them out without buying a new one, so I just bought one. And then I had 2 of them, but anyway, I bought one. I didn't buy these, but I should have looked to see if they had these there. The Tate's Bake Shop, I just finished these, and oh, I love those so much. And then I also brought sparkling water, but I just put that out in the garage. So today's vlog is super not interesting. I got home from work, I had to work for a couple more hours, and then around 6 o'clock I laid down, or I didn't lay down, I sat on the couch to catch up on some shows that I had on my DVR, and I just fell asleep, which is kind of unlike me. I don't really do that. But I was just so tired. I don't know what it is. I'm just like exhausted. I slept good last night, but I'm just like so exhausted. So I think I'm actually just gonna go take a shower. I can't believe how bad I look right now. I think I'm just gonna go take a shower and call it a night. I'm so sorry, today's vlog is literally the most boring thing ever, so I'll definitely have to combine it with another day. But I hope you all are having a great day, a great start to your week. I promise more interesting things will happen. I'm hoping that I could pick up my ring soon. I was gonna give them a call tomorrow to see what the status is. So yeah, we'll see about that. One of the dogs just pooped on the floor, so that stinks, like literally, and I don't feel like picking, I mean I'm picking it up obviously, but I don't feel like it. So anyway, alright guys, well I hope you have a great rest of your night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. It is 7:23 in the morning. I'm about to head out to work. I'll show you guys the girls real quick. Rosie's over here getting some water. Minnie's over here sleeping. Sorry it's dark in here. I like still haven't woken up yet. I feel like I'm just like super tired. But yeah, I will check in with you guys when I get back from work. I just wanted to film a quick clip. My biggest tip for making the mornings go smoothly is packing your lunch. If you're someone who packs your lunch for work, pack your lunch the night before. That way you're just ready to go. Which is so easy. Like, I've been on it this week so far. It's only Tuesday, but I've been on it. I packed my lunch the night before. If anything has to be in the fridge, it's just like right in the front of the fridge, all packed up, throw it in, and go. Sometimes I've tried packing my lunch the morning of, and it just makes the whole morning so stressful. And time goes so fast in the morning. Like it's, I don't know, before you know it, it's late. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, I'm gonna get going. I will see you guys after work. Hey guys, so it is like 9 o'clock. I'm so sorry, it's so much later. But I just got back from the gym. I went to Orange Theory, and yeah, I'm about to jump in the shower. I just wanted to pop on here really fast and give you the update. Next time you see me, I'll be in my pajamas, but I'll catch you guys up on what happened today.